What if I told you that you could create a website for your business by simply typing in a few lines of text or giving a voice prompt? With the help of Readdy AI, you can do that. Readdy AI is arguably one of the best AI website builders around. And in this tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to create a business website using Readdy AI. With Readdy AI, you can get started for completely free. I've included links in the pinned comment and description. And thank you in advance if you were to go onto their paid plan. Once here, you're going to tap on Try for Free and you're going to enter in your email address and create an account. After you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a page just like this, and you're going to either choose to enter in a prompt of the type of website that you'd like to create, or you can scroll down and you can choose from one of their numerous templates. Now, let's say for example's sake, I would like to use this template. I'm just going to tap on Use. After you have tapped on Use, you will be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, you're going to give it a few minutes while your website is being created. While it is being created, there are a few things that I want to show you when it comes onto this page. The first thing is with Readdy AI, you can add a few integrations. So you can select integrations. You are going to select Supabase. After selecting Supabase, you are going to create a Supabase account. You can create an account for completely free. It's quite easy to do. After creating that account, you'll be able to connect your Stripe if you would like to add payments. If it is a case that you have a Shopify store already and you would like to add Shopify products, you can select Shopify and you'll be able to bring over Shopify products. You can also add Calendly. If you would like to do email marketing and you want to add your email pop-up, you can select MailChimp and you'll be able to add in your email pop-up. You can also add in Google Analytics. You can also add in the Readdy AI agent. When it comes onto MailChimp, it is quite beginner friendly. You can select MailChimp and you can simply embed the form link right here. To create the form, you'll simply go into MailChimp. So let me do that real quick. Once in MailChimp, you're going to select Forms from the left-hand menu option. Then you're going to see the option Other Forms. You're going to tap on Other Forms. You'll select Create New Form and you can quickly create your form. You'll select Embed Form and you can quickly customize it. Once you have customized the form, you'll simply get the embed code. So let me go back real quick and let's say for example's sake I were to select this form. So I'll simply tap on Edit. After you have edited the form, all you need to do is tap on Continue and you'll simply copy the code, then go back into Readdy AI and you'll paste the code right there and tell it where you like to add the pop-up, and that's how easy it is. When it comes on to customizing your Readdy AI website, it is also easy and beginner friendly. You have two options. The first option is to tap on the box in the bottom right hand corner, type in what you'd like to change, or what I like to do is tap on selector right here. After selecting selector, you can hover over the section that you would like to edit. So for example, let's say we would like to change this text. You can tap on the text, then tap on text and you can change whatever you want, as you can see right there. It's as easy as that. If you'd like to change anything, you can simply hover over it, tap on the text. You can tap right there, you can tap here, you can change the link or so on. And again, remember, you can type in the box what you'd like to change. It's as easy as that when it comes onto editing. It's quite straightforward. And if we were to go over to the top navigation bar and select Form, from here you can go over to the left-hand menu option. If it is a case that you have added the Readdy AI chatbot, you'll be able to view appointment, leads, and so on. And they also have their own analytics. Once you have published the website, you'll be able to view your analytics right here. And let's go back to the website. Once back on this page, what I want you to do next, once you're finished customizing your website to your liking, you're going to tap right where you see Publish in the top right hand corner. After selecting Publish, from here you can publish your website and you are given a free domain name, so you'll be able to publish one website using the free plan. Also, something else that I should show you, if it is a case that you would like to, for example, embed a code, you can do that by tapping on the Embed Code option in the bottom right hand corner. You can paste in the embed code, then you can tell the AI where you would like to add that embed code. So you're given numerous options, and as I have said earlier, it is quite beginner friendly and easy to use. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.